Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tias Pramesela. I am student of management at University of Bina Sarana Informatika. So here I am going to show you my opinion about smoking in the campus area. Smoking is a harmful habit that poses health risks to the body, both in the short and long term. For active smokers, it can lead to anxiety, depression, insomnia, and much more. For passive smokers, the effects are even more dangerous than for active smokers. It increases the risk of heart disease and respiratory issues like asthma and bronchitis. If asked, do I feel disturbed by people smoking on campus? My answer is of course yes, because the smoke I inhale makes me uncomfortable. In my opinion, while smoking is a right for every student, it would be better if they didn't smoke on campus as it's selfish, inconsiderate, harm passive smokers, and pollutes the campus environment. Currently, many campuses are implementing no smoking policies to create a healthier and more comfortable environment for everyone. This can also encourage smokers to reduce their habit. Creating separate smoking area and providing information on the impacts of smoking could be a better solution as well. So, that's my opinion about smoking on campus. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone, my name is Tias Pramesela. I am student of management at University of Bina Sarana Informatika. So, here I am going to tell you about the question words. What are question words? Question words are words used to ask for reason, times, place, object, people, and many other. This question word can be used in direct or indirect sentence. Question words help us to get the information needed in conversation or writing. Each question word has a different use and function. Types of question word: there is 5W and 1H. 5W is what, when, where, who, why, and 1H is how. Let's explain one by one. The first question word is what. What is a question word that is used to ask about certain object, animal, plants, activities, event. Its function is to obtain information about certain object, activities, or concept in a conversation or situation. Example of question words: what. The first is, what is your favorite color? Or what is the capital of South Korea? And what are you doing in this weekend? Why? Why is a question word that is used to ask for the cause or reason for incident. So, when we want to know why something happened or why someone did something, we can ask why. Example of question word is: number 1, why do you want to learn English? Number 2, why did you choose this university? Number 3, why did you cry yesterday? Where? Where is a question word used to ask for the location or place where an event occurs in a conversation or situation. The answer is in the form of time information such as hour, day, date, month, or year. Example of question word is: number 1, where do you work? Number 2, where are you going for dinner tonight? Number 3, where did you find this pen? Next question word is when. When is a question word used to ask about the time or time period in which an event occurred. Its function is to obtain information about a certain time or period in a conversation or situation, as well as to help us understand the sequence or schedule of events. Example of question word is when is the next train to Busan, or when you finish your homework, or when did you meet your best friend. Who is a question word used to ask about the identity of someone involved in an event or activity. Its function is to help identify relevant people or subject. Example of question word: who is your favorite actor? Who is your best friend? Who visited your home yesterday? So here for the question word who, there are two types, namely whom and whose. The first, whom. Who is a question word that is used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. Whom helps us determine the relationship between the subject and object in the sentence. Whose. Whose is a question word that is used to ask about ownership or to whom a certain object or things belongs. How. How is a question word used to ask about methods or process. It can also be used to describe something to make it clearer. Example of question word: number 1, how did you learn to drive a car? Number 2, how do you operate this machine? Number 3, how do you make broccoli soup? The same as who, the question word how also has 5 types. 1, how many? 2, how much? 3, how often? 4, how far? 5, how long? Here I will explain a little about the types of question word how. The first, how much. How much is a question word that is used to ask about the number of objects whose unit cannot be counted. Example of question word is how much money did you need? The second is how many. How many is a question word used to ask for an amount that can be calculated with certainty. The noun that follows how many will always be plural. Example of question word is how many bananas are on the table? Next, how often. How often is a question word used to ask how often someone does something and explain the exact frequency, such as weekly, daily, or yearly. Example of question word is 1, how often she goes to New York? 2, how often do you go shopping this month? 3, how often do you come to the beach? How far. How far is a question word used to ask how far the distance is. To form a question using how far, you can use the following structure: how far plus helping verbs plus subject plus remaining sentence plus question mark. For example, if the sentence is the station is 20 kilometers away from here, so the question would be how far is the station from here? How long. How long is a question word used to ask for duration or time. For example, 1, how long will it take to finish the homework? How long did you stay in Bekasi? How long will you spend the holiday? Last but not least, there is the question word which. Which is a question word that helps us choose between several options. Its function is to request information about a particular choice from a number of available options, help us in decision making, or to identify a specific object or person in a particular context. For example, 1, Which color do you prefer, yellow or black? 2. Which dish do you order, the pizza or the pasta? Class, here I have an example of dialogue about question word. Hello Nesha, how are you? Hi Miska, I am good, thanks. How about you? I am good too. By the way, where are you now? I am at home. Why? Nothing. What's up? I was with my friends. Oh, sorry, I am bothering you? Not really. What is it? Actually, I want to ask for help, but who are you with? I am with Sarah and Jen. So, what are you doing? We're just talking and watching Netflix. Oh wow, what movie are you watching? We watch the drama Ghost Doctor from South Korea. Really? Why are you watching that drama? Because I like the genre and the story is interesting. Oh yeah? How many episodes are there? There are 16 episodes. How long is each episode? 1 hour. When will you be done? I'll be done in few hours. Why? Can you take me to the mall after that? I can, of course. In which mall? At Pondok Indah Mall. We'll meet at 3 p.m. there. Okay, that sounds like fun. So that's all I can say. Hopefully it's useful. Thanks for watching.